Hello everyone, myself Mrs. Archana Mhatre, lecturer in Electronics and Telecommunication Department. In this video, we are going to continue with the fifth unit of microcontroller and application, that is applications of 8051 microcontroller. So in this video, we will study about the traffic light controller by using 8051 microcontroller. Now this is the procedure to troubleshoot the traffic light controller. Now consideration of traffic signal is that first is traffic light may have sensors integrated to provide a real-time traffic information. Based on the traffic information provided by the sensor, the duration of the green or red LED light for each direction may vary so that the traffic for both the directions are roughly balanced. Time left for the green light should be displayed. When the traffic light for one signal is green, then the traffic for the other direction should be red, with duration displayed in the red. The red light will be switched to yellow when the timer value is 5 seconds before switching to the red. Now here in this diagram you can see that this is a green light indicator. After 5 seconds, it will be yellow and it will be red for 60 seconds further. Violations happens when the expectancy is not met. A user like pedestrian does not expect that to stand for more than a minute or two at a signal. When this user expectancy is not met, the pedestrian tries to venture out and violate the signal. The smooth movement of conflicting vehicles is determined by the availability of the gaps in the traffic. This is true for both pedestrian and vehicular traffic. Understanding of gap is important for justifying the type of the traffic control device, including the traffic signal. Now this is the procedure to troubleshoot the traffic light controller. Now next points to be considered for determining the signal timings. First point is that the signal operational parameters are reviewed and updated if needed on a regular basis to maximize the ability of the traffic control signal to satisfy current traffic demands. Now second determination is that geometry of the intersection is the next step in the signal timing process. Determining the lane use, that is which traffic mode, dedicated versus share lane, type of roads interacting, type of road infrastructure will impact the timing. Third point to be considered is basic signal timing parameters come next. Pedestrian walk times, flashing don't walk, yellow time, all, red clearance interval, detector gap, time, all need to calculate or established. Now next point to be considered is identify bottlenecks, review conditions, conduct warrant analysis, and use engineering judgment in determining traffic signal installation. Next is determine AM and PM peak hours of traffic volumes. Next consideration is that conditions diagram, which includes roadways, geometrics, parking, driveways, sidewalks, singing, pavement parkings, development of intersection quadrant, and any other features partitioned to the study peak hours daily study. Next is a conflict analysis, and last one is capacity analysis of the intersection for current and future years using growth. So these are the procedures to be followed to troubleshoot the traffic light controller. Now next, this is the interfacing of traffic light controller with 8051 microcontroller. In this interfacing diagram, you can see here this is the microcontroller 8051. Now the port 1 is used to connect the LEDs. You can see here all the LEDs are connected to port 1. Port 0 and port 2 is not used. Again port 3 used, which has a special function, alternate functions of port 3 that are used. And this is the traffic light controller connection is connected to this 8051 microcontroller. So this is the interfacing diagram. Now we will see the explanation of the interfacing diagram. The main objective of this traffic light controller is to provide the sophisticated control and coordination to confirm that traffic moves as smoothly and safely as possible. This project makes use of LED lights or for indication purpose, and a microcontroller is used for auto changing of signal at specified range of time interval. LED lights gets automatically turns on and off by making corresponding port pin of the microcontroller high. When it is high, then the LED light goes on, and when the microcontroller particular port pin when it is low, then the LED should be off. Traffic lights or traffic signals are signaling device positioned at road intersection, pedestrian crossing and other locations to control competing flow of the traffic. Traffic lights alternate the right way of road users by displaying the lights of a standard color. Normally the traffic light color is red, yellow or amber color and green color using the universal color code. This is the universally accepted color code for traffic light. Thank you.